Hello friends, today we will see one simple LED project. So this is nothing but the project that we will going to do over here. Now you can see here what I have written is AC and that's a 230 volt. So are you quite confused because I just connected 230 volt and without rectifying it and without using anything, I'm just putting the LEDs in series. And do you think like it will damage the LEDs? Okay, so don't worry. We have one component and that is very good in electronics, and that component is resistor. So resistor is a component which you can easily connect to the AC or DC. Okay, and what's the purpose of resistor? Resistor purpose is V upon I. So it will limit the current. As the value of resistor increases, value of current decrease. Okay, so that's the only purpose of this resistor. Okay, so here if I give the 230 volt to this resistor, I'll get I as equal to V upon R, right? So here what's the V? I'm having 230 volt, and what's the R? So that we will decide. Let's suppose I have taken 330 kilo ohms. So that will give me value 230 multiplied by 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 330, and if you roughly calculate this, you'll get the value milliampere. So do you think like on this such a small current our LEDs will turn on? Okay, we will see that later. Practically, of course, we will not going to discuss this on a paper only. Okay, so now the next thing is, so the 330K will not work. So what we will do here is we will try to change the value of R. So how I'll decide, like if I want I approximately 5 milliampere. Okay, so the equation over here, I want a 5 milliampere, right? So what I'll do here is, if I is equal to 5 milliampere, then what's the value of R? In that case, R is equal to V upon I, and that's the 230 divided by what's the R? R is 5, and here 10 raised to minus 3 will go towards upside. So if you do the calculation over here, it's approximately 46K, but that's value of resistor we don't have. So what we have, nearly we have the 47 kilo ohms. So that is the value we will use for resistor. Okay, so here we get a value, and that's the 47 kilo ohm. Now these are the LEDs. So let's suppose we say LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, and LED 4. Okay, this is just a diode, and it's a switching diode. So in that case, you can use 1N4007. Okay, that's the switching diode we can use. And now the next is the capacitor. So we will use a capacitor. If we use the higher value capacitor, it will charge and discharge very soon, so you cannot see the effect which we want to see. So how the circuit will work, first we'll discuss that. The circuit as AC will start flowing through this. For the positive cycle, all LEDs will start glowing, right? Because they all will be in a forward bias, and our capacitor will start to charge. Same way, diode will give path to the AC. Now, if we'll get the AC in a negative cycle, so we will not able to get that, because that time the diode will be in a not in a forward bias, and it's a unidirectional device, so it will not allow current to flow through it. Same for these LEDs too, and here will not getting any path. So for the positive half cycle only we will see the current flow, and as capacitor will charge for the negative half cycle, when diode will not conduct, this capacitor will discharge. Okay, for the positive half cycle it will charge, and for the negative it will discharge. This is how the circuit will work. We will see that on a not on a breadboard. We will direct solder the component. Now here we will start the circuit connection as per the circuit diagram. Here I have taken the capacitor that is of 1000 microfarad as of now, and it's a hardly 25 volt electrolytic capacitor. There is a no X-rated capacitor here I'm using, okay, because here we will get the connection only for the, we will having the flow of current only for the positive half cycle. Because of the diodes we are using, LEDs also diode, right? If you don't know about the diode and want to know more about it, please go and check the video. I have posted detailed video on the same, okay. So here I have done with the connection, and then we will process further, like we are giving directly AC to the circuit, and we'll see like are we getting the blinking LED or we are getting a stable value. Now here I'm done with the connection. Diode I have connected positive and negative. Please go with the polarities only, okay. Now here I'm giving direct alternating current, like that is AC over here from the mains. You can see like 238 volt is there, and I'm just switch on the circuit. You can see like I'm getting the continuous on LEDs, and that is because our capacitor gets fully charged and will give the complete current in the negative half cycle. Here I have changed the value of capacitor to 100 microfarad, and here you can see the blinking LED I'm getting, right? So this is why the capacitor values matters with the circuit. It is act as a battery itself. If you want to know more about the basic electronic component, go to the video, subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to get the latest notification of the video. Hope you like the project and you can do that at home, but please don't touch to any open conductor over here as it's a AC. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and comment if you want to know more about other electronic projects that we can discuss on. Thank you.